Hello and welcome to Hybiz News. Myself Kanksha Gangapuram. Did you know that cervical cancer is not hereditary? A lot of people believe in this myth, and it is precisely this microconception that we wanted to address with our cervical cancers awareness campaign, says Dr. K.L. Purnima, MBBS DG or DNB, Ankura Hospitals for Women and Children. An estimated 1,22,844 cervical cancer cases are recorded every year in India, and this number might be an underestimate as many cases remain undiagnosed in rural and impoverished areas. Experts estimate that approximately 1 in 53 Indian women will get cervical cancer during their lifetime, and currently, India accounts for nearly one-third of the global cervical cancer deaths. January has been designated as Cervical Cancer Awareness Month worldwide, and on this account, let's look at some pertinent information about this disease. Cervical cancer is an abnormal tissue growth in the cells of the woman's cervix, and most cases are caused by the sexual transmitted human papilloma virus HPV, which is preventable by taking the HPV vaccine. Cervical cancer develops very slow over the course of many years. If the changes in the cervical cells are found in the early stages, it can be diagnosed and treated. If not, cancer cells will spread to the other parts of the body and it will become deadly. You might be at higher risk for cervical cancer if you started having sex before 16 years, within a year or starting your period, having multiple sexual partners, taking birth control pill especially for longer than 5 years, have a weakened immune system, have a sexual transmitted disease STD, smoke cigarettes. These are few ways to reduce the risk of cervical cancers, and we can do our part by getting regular health checkups, especially between the ages of 30 to 39, as statistic information that women of these ages accounts for the majority of cervical cancers related deaths in India. A regular health checkup often involves a pap smear test. It is a routine cervical cancer screening procedure, and women should get a pap test regularly from the age of 21. In general, to reduce cervical cancer risk, the recommendation is that if you are 21 to 29 years old, get a pap test once every 3 years. 30 to 65 years old, get a pap test or HPV test once every 3 years. Older than 65 years old, you may not need a pap test anymore. There is also another myth that if you have HPV, you will get cervical cancer. That's not true. Usually HPV clears up from our immune system by itself. In a small number of women, the virus stays in the body and over time causes cervical cancers, says Dr. K.L. Purnima, MBBS DG or DNB, Ankura Hospitals for Women and Children. Says you can safely take HPV vaccination until the age of 26 years old. You can speak to your doctor about this vaccine, as it administers on a case-by-case basis. Thank you for watching.